the channel. Today we are in Cook Avenue. And today me and Abdullah will show you a bit of Avenue. So here are the new avenues. Because they're new. So let's go. So you guys see the golden one? That's where the expensive shops are. Like Gucci, like that. The golden one. This is the huge factory. This is the new avenue and there's the old avenue. So guys, we will be going to the old avenues and today we will go to Fantasy World and we will meet you at the Fantasy World. So guys, we have the gold area. And guys, we are in the gold area and we saw what is the most expensive shop over there. The most expensive car in the whole world. Expensive shop here and straight over there and straight over there I think that's Ferrari. And now we will see you guys in Fantasy World. This is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. That's Gucci. Gucci. There's Gucci. Come on, there's Louis Vuitton. I think this is a Ferrari. No. There's Gucci. There's a Bentley over there. There's a Bentley over there. We got some expensive stuff on the right and on the left. Gucci. We have a fountain. And then Gucci. Okay guys, we are at Fantasy World. Fantasy World. And let's go inside.
Temperature check, please.
This one says it's nice. Then you want spinner. We will play. Before.
So let's see, we got some Legos here, and the toys are here, so let's go. Come on. So guys, come on, let's go with this. Got some horses. There's a horse in here. You got a zebra. You got a tiger.
Okay, let's go now, please.
Okay, come on, let's go. And got some more horses here. Got some more horses. Okay.
It says Horse Club.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Got some popsicle here.
Yeah, bad.
Okay.
Okay guys, got some popsicle here. Got some bicycle. Now, let's go. Boy, go!
Is that man?
This and that man? Okay, come on, let's go this way. Let's go. You got some superhero suits.
Batman. I'm Batman.
Okay, come on, let's go. And some superhero suits.
Oh, I know this.
Yeah, Joker truck.
I know this. I know that movie.
Here's my favorite section. What? Cars? You know, this is actually my favorite. Oh, this one.
Oh, you're saying this one?
Yeah.
You are
This
saying
one I'm talking about.
Oh,
Has a
this
cool
one you
car, with the bike and the trailer. Really cool. And we got some trains, got some tractors. Here's a cool car. Let's look at something else. Come on. You want to fight? Yeah, you want to fight? Come on. Let me get up. Let's fight. Pew, 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 pew. On the road. Ready? Pew, 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 pew. And back in here. Yay. Yay. Got some Nerf guns. Yeah, baby. Pew, 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 pew. We have this like Nerf gun actually. Yeah.
What's the other one that we have?
The other one?
Yeah.
I don't think it's here.
There's a food here.
Yeah. Come on here, guys. I think I'm gonna buy.
Oh, ha, ha. Oh. I really want it.
Okay,
I
come
really
on.
want it.
Come here. Come here, guys. So, I think I wanna buy this one. This is my favorite. I think I should buy this one, right, guys? I think I should. Well, let's buy this one. Yeah! So this is what I buy. So time to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. What's up, guys? So guys, I'm in my home. So guys, this is what I bought. Now look at it. We unboxed it. This is how it looks. Guys, he comes with a bike. Guys can see a bike. Yeah. Like this, you can put this stand up and like down like that. Pretty cool, nice bike. Yeah. We got the bikesman here. Guys, take off his helmet and wear it. Pretty cool.
Hey.
Guys, here's the banner gloves as well. Guys can see gloves. Is there more gloves? 2 gloves actually. So this is a car.
Hey, look.
Boom, boom. Yeah, they're actually great. So guys, this is the car. So guys, this is the trailer. Wait a minute, let me take off the trailer. 1 second. Wait, where is stuck to? Wait, don't do that, man. Wait a minute. Let me see what happened to Mr. Trailer. So yeah, guys. So this is the trailer price here. So guys, this is a car over here. Yes, this also.
This is our car.
See, guys, this got some doors, both doors.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, guys. That guy got both doors. It back so it opens. Wait a minute. See, guys. It's pretty cool. Now look at toy. You got the back. It's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, time to end the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.